Oh, okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the beautiful La Mercado ship. This is your course director speaking on behalf of Captain Mercado. As a part of our commitment to your safety will be conduct the mandatory safety drill and compliance with the IMO safety protocols. We kindly ask for your attention as we walk you to important safety produce the information. All guests required to proceed to their master station. Once they hear the general procedure from master station, once they are general alarm signals, your master station is indicated on your key card, and staff will also be ready to assist you. All service on board will be closed in order to facilitate the mandatory safety drill. Stop mo muna ba? May we request you, direct your attention as a crew demonstrate safety features of ship. Please take a moment to locate the life jacket in your cabin near lifeboat station on deck 5. And secure that is the correct, safe, and stable for your weight. And remove all crafts objects on your life jacket. Remove only sharp and object on your life jacket. Put the life jacket on by placing it over your head, with the collar at the back of your neck and the waistband around your waist. 3. Lighten and straps and adjuster, including the road strap and if available. Four. Ensure that the life jacket covers your chest and upper body properly. We remind you that smoking inside the cabin on your clothes. Public areas is not allowed. Temporary with the discipline destroying the smoke detectors is prohibited by law. Only on the smoke at the designated smoking area located outside the deck. 5. Follow in the instruction at all times during emergency and remain calm if you discover a fire emergency. Remain calm in discover and immediately active the nursery's fire alarm and notify the crew. In case of a larger fire apocalypse and the area immediately following the designated evacuation routes to your assembly station. Do not enter in the ship or army districted areas without crew permission. As after evacuation, we hope that you find safety demonstration informative. Your safety is our top priority, and we appreciate your cooperation in observing this important safety produce. Should you have any question, please do not hesitate to approach our crew members who are readily available to assist you again. This is your crew direction.